You know I can't whistle. That's why I'm asking you to do it. Because I like how it sounds, but I don't have the ability to do it.
Dear fantasy mother, thank you for taking my coming out as calmly as a pond accepts a stone flung into its depths. You sieved my tears, added an egg, then baked a beautiful cake. You said, let us celebrate, for today you are reborn as my beloved. The candles gleamed, and the icing was almost true, impossibly white, coated with the sweetness of sprinkles. We sat together at the table and ate. Afterwards, I returned to my room and touched all of the forbidden parts by myself. Felt a kindness I had not felt in years.
I think I'm complicated.
Really? Well, I like complicated, so shouldn't be a problem.